I'm going to share with you guys how I made this delicious porridge plantain. So if you're interested, watch to the end and also help me to share. So guys, I went to the market today and I saw this plantain. It was sold for a pound. So I was like, today I'm going to make porridge plantain. It's been long I prepared this meal. So as you can see, I am trying to peel off the skin of the plantain. Once I'm done peeling it off, I'm going to chop it into smaller sizes before we begin the process. Are you the type that love to eat plantain? Plantain is your favorite meal. Watch this video to the end because you are going to love this recipe. Plantain is one of my favorite food. Back in the days as a little girl, my mommy always make plantain for us for lunch. Like, you have no choice, so you have to eat plantain for lunch. As you can see, I am slicing it into smaller sizes. You can also chop it into big size if you prefer, but this is the way I like my plantain to be when I'm making porridge plantain. So I'm going to set it aside. Next, I'm going to be adding my palm oil in the pot, and then I'm going to go in with my tatashi, and this tatashi I also added onions on it. I transfer it into the pot, and then I'm just going to give it a little bit of stir. I will cover it to steam for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to be going in with my crayfish, my seasoning. So my daughter was the one helping me with the spices, adding the spices in the pot. I also added salt on it for taste. And then I'll go in with my smoked fish. You can use dry fish, you can use chicken, whichever one you have. It's still going to taste nice. And then lastly, I'll go in with the plantain, and then I'm going to be adding the quantity of water that is needed for this food. And then I'll give it a stir. I'll cover it to steam for about 15 minutes. So now tell me, is this how you make your own plantain? Have you tried this method before? Does it look like something you would like to try? Let me know in the comment section. So I cover it to steam for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to give it a stir. At this point, I'm going to be adding vegetable on it. So this vegetable is totally optional, but I can't cook porridge plantain without adding vegetable on it. So I added my frozen vegetable, cover it to steam for 3 minutes, and then give it a stir, and then that is it. My plantain porridge is ready. Now tell me, does this right here look like something you will love to try? Trust me, you will not regret trying this recipe. It really tastes amazing. If you are a lover of plantain, try this recipe and come back in the comment section and tell me how it tastes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.